Alright guys, MTech Guy here, and today we're going to take a look at refitting the rear badge on the little 1 Series, the E87 130i. It's the badge on the tailgate there. Let's take a look. Now then, look at the state of this. I was over at the dealer the other day, buying a few parts, and I was all pleased with myself when I came out with my box of brand new parts. Came to chuck them in the boot here, and when I slammed it shut, the old badge popped off. And from what I understand, it's not an uncommon problem on these cars, and you can even see if we look closely here, it must have been off in the past because someone's been at it with the no nails trying to stick it back on there. Obviously it hasn't lasted, so today we're going to give all that mess a good clean up and refit a brand new badge. Alright, so here we have the new emblem itself. This is a genuine BMW article. There's the part number for anybody that's paying attention. Now there's two ways you can do this. Obviously this is just the emblem itself, but this makes up part of that whole rear lever, the rear switch that opens the tailgate, so you can either replace the whole mechanism, but that's an expensive way of doing it and it is quite an involved process getting it replaced, or you can just do what I'm doing here and replace the emblem itself as long as the switch is all good. Alright, so we've got all the old residue cleaned up, all the bits of no nails and the old foam tape that was there from the old badge. That's all nice and smooth and flat now. That's the main thing you want to watch out for when you're taking this off with a small blade. You just want to watch you don't gouge it and start making high spots on the surface where it's going to be sticking down. So you just want to make sure that's nice and smooth and even. So next up, what I'm going to do is just give it a final wipe down with some methylated spirits, and that'll just get rid of any dust or dirt or any sticky bits, and then next up we'll stick the badge on. Alright, so here we have the new badge ready to go on. So of course, to start off with, we'll pull off the backing paper, and then what we're going to do, see the two pins there, we're just going to locate them into the two holes on the back of the badge and then just push it on there firmly and make sure it's nice and seated well, and then that's the job done. Done! So there we have it guys, we've got the new badge fitted and it looks so much better. So if you found the video interesting or useful, don't forget to give it a like, and make sure you go and check out the rest of my YouTube channel for more BMW DIY content. Consider subscribing if that's your cup of tea. I'm MTech Guy, thanks a lot for watching.